Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Ballin' Builds. And in this episode, we are going to be testing out this $80 carburetor that we got from Amazon. It's from Thunder Mingo, whatever that is. We're going to see if it's worth the price. I mean, $80 is pretty cheap, but we'll see if it gets the old 4 running. This is my 1979 F350, so we'll be slapping it on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right in. Oh, there she is, boys.
That thing's shiny.
All right, guys, so we went ahead and we got this thing unboxed and it's looking really good. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling apart the old carburetor, pull off the air filter, and try to get ready to install this thing. But before we do that, we wanna go ahead and replace the battery in the starting solenoid, just to show you guys that it runs before we go ahead and throw on the carb, just in case with the new carb it doesn't run. Oh, I think I just opened this box from the bottom. It's okay. Sometimes you gotta be different. Ow! Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem better than me. Was that even?
Why is it tightening?
Need that drill.
Just yank it out. All right, we got it off.
They don't even look the same. Wait, actually.
Hold up.
It turns out we got the wrong starting solenoid. This is a single post. This one's a dual post, or a 4-pin, or whatever the freak it's called. But we might run to O'Reilly real quick and get a 4-post starting solenoid because we believe that was the problem. I mean, we could have tried it with just the new battery, but I think it needs a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and run to O'Reilly real quick, grab a new one of these bad boys, and then when we come back, we'll throw it on.
Let's do it.
Oh, my seat is taken.
I need a charge.
Both ways. And we have arrived.
Cleaning up this car.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, boys, let's see what we got. It looks like it. 4-post, 40 bucks. One on Amazon was 13 bucks. Would have been sweet if it worked, but hey, it's okay. We'll take our wins when we get them. Hopefully the carburetor's better.
I don't know if my secondaries on my carburetor are opening all the way. Because this should really roar.
Maybe we'll have to try the cheapest 4-barrel carb on Amazon.
If it works for the 2-barrel.
All right, that one looks way more like it. Exactly like it, to be exact. Let's try it. Oh, loosening.
Was the rock. Pinch. Oh, never mind. Look at that. This is why hammering and everything is so much better. It just gets the corrosion right off too.
Exactly. 2 birds, 1 stone.
2 birds, 1 stone. All right, guys, we got the starting solenoid and the battery all hooked back up, and we'll see if she cranks. At least she's cranking. Getting some fuel in the old race carb filter.
All right, guys, so as you can see, she's cranking, so we're gonna go ahead and jump onto the $80 carb install. We gotta pull off the filter and unbolt the carb, and we'll throw the new one on. All right, boys, we got it. Oh, there's a spring. Like that?
Yep.
Oh yeah, out with the old and time for the new. There's the old one. This we might want to take. Put it here. I was just gonna transfer what we have right here. I think it's gonna be okay. Looks pretty good. Man, that's nasty. Look at that. Ooh, yummy. Is this supposed to be a hard gasket like this? Feel that. That feels like wood. Is that a gasket? You think it's got like something on the sides?
It might get hot. I don't know if it peels or not. I don't think so.
No, it does not. Should we just try it? We're trying it.
China says it's good enough for me.
Oh man, look at that. Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna want to take a razor blade and clean all that.
Oh, yeah, we have the same. That's sweet. So this is the same as this.
All right, we got the new one on.
So far, I am optimistic. Not about our fuel, but carburetor looks pretty good. Right. Oh, where did our clamp go?
Turns out you don't need one. You did buy some new ones.
I did. I don't know where they went. Where did it go?
Crap. Oh.
Stored it on my fuel. So, should we try to replace the filter?
I don't know. Do you want to run all the way over there?
It's up to you.
I don't know.
We could do it. Let's do it.
We could try it. Or wait, what?
What else could we do?
We'll just try starting it. Or do you want to run over there?
Let's try it. What?
Is this part of the starting sequence?
Yes.
It's a ritual.
I have to close the door. If I don't close the door, it won't run. I have not tried it with the door open, but I'm pretty sure. Tell me when we get fuel to the filter.
And you got some dirt mud in there.
So it's weird that we're not getting fuel.
I mean, you're getting a little bit, but it's just not a ton. So I don't know if you have any gas in the tank.
Oh, we might not. We got some in this jug. Like a gallon.
That'll work. I mean, maybe we just ran out of gas.
Maybe we didn't even need new carb.
Feed the dinosaur. Oh, why do I feel like we're all...
feed it dinosaur.
That's right.
Let me just saddle up on it. Oh, there we go. Now it's running. Oh yeah, we're good.
This is what we do to get the gas.
Just gotta get the right angle on it.
You gotta get the right angle. We're losing fuel. Higher. Higher. Hey, kill it.
Want to try it again? I think.
Yeah, we should try it again.
Is this been closing itself?
I don't know. I can't
If it's staying, if it's closing itself, let me just stay.
Try.
Maybe it needs fuel. Maybe we ruined the fuel pump with this nasty stuff.
It shouldn't have.
So should we just go get more gas?
Get more gas in her.
We could.
Possibly.
Expensive trip right there. We could try though.
Don't push the gas. Just wait a sec. Just crank if you can. It's a freak, bro. Could be the filter.
I think it could be because I think it comes through inside of the filter and goes out into this outer chamber, then goes in. Oh yeah, look at that nice clay.
There it is. It's off.
It does.
It's definitely got dirt in there. Oh, you don't even want to run a filter? You might go rinse it out.
Filterless. completely free balling it. Mando in the filter world. I really hope this works.
Don't drop the gear! That's idling really well.
Yeah, maybe high, maybe a little high, but
Hey, we like high.
for $80 carburetor, that's pretty good.
That's working. Should we throw the cap back on and then take it for a roll? This idiot in the freaking black truck parked right next to me.
Hey, that was me.
Little squeak squeak.
Oh yeah, race truck. All right, let's see if it goes. Oh yeah,
He stalls it.
I don't know if it's gonna stop. Like,
Oh, big.
it does
This sound good.
pretty good.
Oh,
Pretty good for not. Oh, we spinning them, boys.
doing burnouts with the donut.
Definitely feels like an F-350.
It is rough. Don't worry, she'll get better.
Oh man, this thing's sweet. Runs so good with that new car.
Worth it.
$80 on Amazon? Yeah, that's 100% worth it right there.
I think your fuel tank's cleaning up too. I just changed the filter and just changed a couple filters, and then we'll be running. We'll be running to the races in no time with this race car we got.
Oh, get me back first gear. Please, please, please.
That's not good.
I don't know if the clutch is good on this thing.
Clutch might be shot.
There we go. All right, guys, so we're cruising around. It's running really good, actually way better than it did before. For an $80 carburetor on Amazon, I'd say it's pretty good.
Works pretty well. Most everything plugged in except for that one thing. We don't know what the heck that goes to.
Yeah, we don't know.
I don't think we need it. Turns out it's not important.
It's making it run better without it. That's when you know you don't need it.
Exactly.
We may need to invest in a clutch though, because I can't grab first gear, so we're just gonna run it in second for a little bit. All right, guys, so we went ahead and we went for a test drive, and this thing runs amazing. I can't believe how big of a difference that $80 carburetor made. It's surprisingly good. And if you're interested in getting one for yourself, click the link down in the description below. We'll link it down there for you guys. But without further ado, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Any last words? That's a wrap.